We got some new teas, so I'm excited to try them out. This is called Butterfly Pea Flower Tea. The tea has a blue color when brewed and change color when it comes in contact with acidic things. I'm mixing lemon and kumquat flavors, my favorite combination. Don't forget adding your bobas. This is cherry crystal bobas. Don't forget to add a lot of ice. Slowly pour in the tea. The color is too pretty, I didn't even want to drink it. The tea turns to a purple color when you mix with the lemon and kumquat. Mix well and enjoy.